I'm doing fine. And yourself?
All right. Have a good one.
All right. Thank you. All right, guys. It's gonna be the end of the video. We got our new safety chains installed. We have our new light harness for the trailer. It's installed. We also have lights, and I want to show you guys the brake lights, but I don't have anything heavy enough to actually put on my brake. So I do, but I don't feel like picking anything up to put on my brakes right now. So you guys just gotta trust me. The brake lights should work. Since I do have tail lights, the brake lights should work. So that's gonna be the end of the video. Remember everybody, if you enjoy this content, or if you have any questions about anything, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you share this content with somebody that maybe needs a little hand with making a trailer safe with your new lights, tail lights, brake lights, also your safety chains. And on the next video, we will be putting fenders back on the trailer fenders are right here. But like I said, you guys, we're gonna do a little cutting on those fenders so we can get those to sit down a little bit lower, so we can get our John Deere on this trailer. And yes, they are still popping fireworks. So that's gonna be the end of this video. Hey, you guys take care. Have a safe holiday.